Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pauline from Super Mario. So let's get started. To draw cute Pauline, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So let's come right here and we're going to start with a circle. Then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now my two circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. Now with my eyes in, let's spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm going to come to the top right here and we're going to angle a lash going out. So I'm trying to make her eyes a little bit slantier. So I'm going to come right here and just thicken up this one lash. And then I'm going to bring a line right here down. And then you can add some lashes right here to spruce it up even more. There. So same thing on this side. Just add a thick lash right here. Give it a little angle. And then 3 little lashes right here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw her brow. So I'm going to come up about right here. And we're going to slant this nice and high and out. Now I'll just stick in this bottom part, beginning part. And same thing on this side. There. And then for her mouth, let's draw a little oval. So I'm going to come about right here in the center. Try and make the top part a little bit thinner and then wider towards the bottom. And then in the center, just go ahead and draw a soft curve. There. Okay, so hopefully I've captured her look with these Draw So Cute eyes. Then from there, let's frame her face. So we're going to come to the top of her eye, really close to these lashes. I'll give myself a point, and same thing here. And I'm going to basically draw the bottom of a U, but I'm going to try and make it a little bit sharper. So let's bring this in. Let's try to slant it in more. And let's find my center about right here. I'm going to come down to say about here for her chin. So I'm going to go ahead and angle this curve towards that point. And same thing here. So definitely turn your body or your paper to create these angles. So looking at the other one, this one is a little bit, needs to be a little bit more angled. Then we can match that one. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's imagine an oval for her face. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point right in the center. From there, I'm going to go up. Her hair parts in the center, and we're going to bring this down to create that heart-shaped face, right? So let's go up just like the other side and connect. There. And then I'm going to come, let's see here, let's go up right here and here. And then we're going to go straight up to about right here, and then we're going to go up. Very unique hairstyle, nice and high, and bring it down. So same thing here. And bring it down. Now before we finish that, let's come back to kind of where her eye is, like say maybe the bottom of her eye. And I'm just going to draw this little oval shape and bring it in for her ear. And then I'm going to come right here and draw a circle for her earring. and then a tassel, zigzag, and then maybe just 2 lines in here for some detail. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Let's curve and bring it in, and then once again, circle and tassel. There, for our earrings. Then from there, let's bring this down. So about right here, we're going to slant it in and then come out around the ear. So same thing here. Slant it in and then come around the ear and then bring it in. Okay, so now let's draw her body before we finish up the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come right here underneath the mouth, give her a little neck, the shoulders, round it off, same thing here. And then I'm going to kind of figure out kind of like her armpit area, be about, just say tentatively about right there and here. And I'm going to draw an angle line. Give her a tiny little waist. So now we know this is her bodice area we can work with, and we need to draw her top. So I'm going to come in right here, about right there, and then we're going to draw kind of like this M towards the center. One, and then the other one for her top, and bring it in. Then she has these straps that comes around her neck. So come right here and thicken this up. And same thing here. And thicken it up. There. And so let's bring this down a little bit more. A tiny little waist, and then about right there, let's go ahead and just flare it out for her hips. So now let's go ahead and draw the rest of her dress. So I'm going to bring this down to create this kind of fishtail look. And let's bring it down even more. So this part's going to kind of flatten out, straighten out, I mean. And let's come down. About right here, let's flare it out. And flare it out, just like the other side. So now we're about the same level. Let's go ahead and connect it with 4 curves. So 1, and then there's 2 center ones, and 1 more. There. If you notice, the center is a little bit lower, so it's still kind of going at a curve. Now just lightly draw a line. You can do this when you're coloring if you don't want a harsh black line. There, and then you could come in here if you like, just to give it some detail for her top. And now let's draw her legs. So it's just her feet that's showing. So this is my center. I'm going to come about right here. I'm just going to draw 2 angle lines, and then I'm going to come bring it down a little bit more, then round it off to a point, and then connect. And then right here, just give it a little curve. So same thing here, angle out, and then bring it to a little point. And connect. There. And then now finally her arms. So we want her arms, her hands on her hips, so about right here. So I'm going to come right here where her armpit area is. About right there, angle, and then out. So let's thicken up her arms, her elbow. We're going to bring it in, then down, slant, and then a little finger. So same thing on this side. So about right here, just like the other side. We want it about here. So angle down and angle. Elbow, bring it in, slant, hand, and then the little finger. And before I forget, I guess there's a bracelet right here, so I'm just gonna curve and curve, and I'll go in there and erase that a little bit later. And let's see, okay, let's finish her beautiful hair. Almost forgot. Okay, so let's bring this part in, and then we're gonna go out again and down to about here where her hand is. Let's go ahead and flare it out with some curves. So 1, 2, and then just tuck it in. So same thing over here. So about right here, just like the other side. Just try to match and bring it around her arm to about right here and curve. And bring it in. There. So hopefully I've got everything. This needs to come out a little bit more compared to that side, right? So definitely use a pencil if you have one so that you can make any adjustments you need. And I'm going to add a heart right here. Why not? To make her my draw so cute, Pauline. And I'll give her a little necklace. There. Hopefully you like that, but if you don't, of course don't add it. But I just want to add a heart to make this my Draw So Cute Pauline from Super Mario. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.